Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Logitech G733 not charging or not working. To fix your Logitech G733 not charging or not working, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to try troubleshooting your Logitech G733. For that, you have to check the USB cable and the port. Ensure the charging cable is securely connected to both the headset and the power source. After that, try using a different USB cable and power source to rule out issue with the cable or port. Then you have to inspect the charging port, check for any derby or damage in the headset charging port, clean it gently if needed. After cleaning, you have to check your Logitech G733 if it's working correctly. If the issue still persists, you have to try reset the headset. To reset your Logitech G733, you have to first ensure the headset is powered off. After that, you have to hold the power button for approximately 15 seconds. After holding for about 15 seconds, you have to release the button and then you have to turn on the headset and check the functionality of the headset. Hopefully the issue has been fixed with this method. Hopefully this video help you to fix your Logitech G733 not charging or not working. Thanks for watching.